Dry cough. Dry cough need not be always from the lungs or from the respiratory tract. Most of the time it could be from the acidity or acid reflux or GERD, GERD, where the acid comes up, irritates your throat and you have a dry cough. But they always say, I have a repeated cough and cold. No, it could be from the acid reflux. Especially if you have a dry cough after each meal, or when you are lying flat, or after taking any heavy meal, or after taking sweets, or after taking spicy food. If you have a dry cough, most probably this is from the acid reflux.